My children, why do you all gather in front of these altars? As if we are making a wish with bread and garlands. There's a lot of incense smoke from the city, and a lot of prayers. My children, I don't want you to speak to messenger, so I will listen to you myself. I, Oedipus, will rule this region. You are, peace over there, the elders of the city. Speak with all of them. What makes you feel uneasy? I will help you in every way I can.
Great Oedipus, king of thieves. You can see for yourself how people of all ages gather at your altar. Some unable to stand alone, elders weighed down by years, and young men not yet married. Your own eyes must tell you, Thebes is drowning in the deadly tide and cannot rise from the waves of death. A plague eats away at our corpse. The animals are sick. Children die before they are born, and our women have become barren. We know you are not a god, but we've come to you, the man we trust most in this world. We all came here to ask you for help to save the city. Though we know nothing about this misery, but with the help from God in you, you can help us. Our Lord and King, you brought us good fortune before. You saved us from the Sphinx and freed us from the terrible priest we paid for so long. Now we ask you bring it back again. Be that some leader now. No one questions your power to rule this land, but rule over the city of the living, not the dead. A kingdom means nothing if the streets are empty and silent.
Poor children, I know you well, and your suffering, or your misery is not to be compared. I have sent Creon to tell me of this place of revelation, fire, what you can do for the check visit.
This is the right time. They told me she is here.
I have good news, my lord.
What news are you bringing? Is it good or bad news?
Shall we go inside and talk about it?
Let them all narrate. Itu self to hear it too.
Then I will tell you what I heard at Delphi. Apollo command us to expel an old defilement before it is too late.
What to file gun? How we can get rid of it?
By exile or death, it was this murder that broke out the disaster on the city.
Murder of who?
My lord, long ago, Lois was our king before you come to govern us.
I know. I only know him, but I never saw him.
He was murdered, and Apollo command us now to take revenge upon whoever killed him.
To whom? Where are they? How we can find the clues to solve this crime after many of years?
Here inside Thebes, Apollo said.
Tell me, was Laius murdered in his house, or in the field, or in some foreign country?
He said he planned to make pilgrimage, yet he did not come home again.
Are there no witnesses to tell us what happened to him?
The only surviving witness so frightened that he could only say one thing.
That was one thing. Tell me, one thing can be a key for everything, if we resolve to use it.
He said that a group of bandits attacked them, outnumbered them, and defeated the king.
Strange. That bandits told me that ball, unless there is some function that tell them to do that.
That's what we wondering too. But after Lois' death, no one has helped us with this.
What problem can prevent you from hunting down the killers?
The Sphinx confusing song made us deaf to all mystery, except her own.
It is my duty to bring everything from the dark to the light one more time. The killers may also be planning to kill me as well. Come here, my children. Let someone of you summon the people of Cadmus together in here. I will do everything to protect our people in our city. With the help of God, we shall win or we die.
Let's rise, children. This is why we are here. And now, the king himself has promised it. Phobos has given us a prophecy. May he come down and save us, driving away the plague.
Where is God singing in his deep temple of gold and shadow? What prophecy for Thebes, the sun-scorched city? Fear shakes me. The roots of my heart tremble. Now I remember. Oh, healer, your power and wonder. Will you bring doom like a sudden storm or weave it? Be merciful, child of God. There is no sword in this battle against fire. No child. Only Christ surrounding us. Drive the enemy away from our homes into the vast Atlantic or into the waves that crashes of trust. Oh, scarlet God, golden crown, hold heaven backs. From the storm of madness, rush upon death, hath paid the all immortal. Come, come with blinding thirst, come with joy. Diah, terus syuting. Iya, Mas Ali. Mana tak pakai enggak apa-apa? Ya, sek.
And feed us from the cerebral face in the salah. Salah, guys.
Tadi salah. The roots of my head. Cut.
Driving away the plague.
Strange. Shall be the poor.
Malah video.
Where is this?
But rule over city the living.
My lord.
Strange.
Where's over there?
You are.
Sharing.